Hi guys, I occasionally get asked questions about the dollhouse I made for my daughter and you know, certain items, and someone recently asked about the beds, and I realized I never really went over how I made these, you know, doll beds, so I figured I'd quickly go over how I did that and just kind of show you different things. But this is a simple dust rag from Dollar Tree. It's $1, you know, from the dollar store, so I figured it's just a good extra blanket. And then these little pillows I made, stuffed them and then hemmed them shut. Okay, that is the cutest fabric. Anyways, and then this is flannel. It's for a double-sided, you know, like quilt. It doesn't hang very well, it's just a little too stiff. This fabric is perfect. It's like a lycra, like a spandex. It's a clothing fabric, but because it has spandex in it, it's a little heavier for being so thin, and it hangs really well. Do you see that? Totally unlike that stuff, that stiff flannel fabric, but I love this fabric for yeah, dollhouse stuff. But anyways, I had foam, so I made these mattresses out of this foam fabric. Just sloppily hot glued it on. Corners don't look too bad, but so a hard plastic doll can have a soft bed. Isn't that silly? Okay, and this is just scrap wood. It's a piece of our house trim left over with a little bit of masonite glued and pinned on the back. And one super handy dandy trick is to take a drill and drill you some holes. You see where I drilled the holes, all the same depth, and then kind of just glued in some dowels, cut off all to the same length. Makes pretty good feet. Bigger dowels would have looked better. But these are toys. These aren't, I don't consider these fine furniture. This one's similar. Things I made, pillows, double-sided. That's fabric I had already. I didn't even close it up. This fabric polka dot stuff just was the right color and a good kind of change, but that is glued down. Oh, I glued that down. I didn't realize that was glued down. Anyways, upholstered headboard. The same idea though. It's just a glued on piece of masonite onto the back. It's not real well done, just kind of looks good enough. And then the bottom is a box. Just a box. That's wood I already had. It is kind of heavy because the wood's so thick. You see? They're pretty simple, but this dowel rod trick for legs on pieces of furniture is a good idea. See how I got those off? They're not exactly parallel, but that's that. So hope that helps. Alrighty, here's my living room. My messy living room with Pingu on the screen. Alright. Thanks for checking this out, and I guess that's it. Alright, bye guys.